For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Cyclone Nisarga makes landfall at several parts of Maharashtra, including Alibag, with wind speed of 120 to 140 km per hour. IMD stated that the right side of the cloud has already passed through coastal regions of Maharashtra and would last for around 3 hours.
को पार करेगा एंड तब इसका विंड स्पीड भी 100 से 120 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा होने का उम्मीद किया जा रहा है, स्पेशली ओवर थाने, रायगढ़ और मुंबई डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स। जो वलसाड डिस्ट्रिक्ट और नवसारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है वहाँ भी विंड स्पीड 60 to 80 kmph तक हो सकता है।
As depression increased over Arabian Sea, it is expected to intensify in Maharashtra in the next 12 hours and move towards Gujarat. After making a landfall in Maharashtra, Cyclone Nisarga is moving towards Gujarat, resulting in high tides striking Dwarka coast of Gujarat. According to IMD, Cyclone Nisarga is likely going to affect several districts of Gujarat, including Navsari, Valsad and Amreli. As per the NDRF, the following districts from Gujarat are likely to be affected by Cyclone Nisarga: Gandhinagar, Valsad, Kheda, Amreli, Gir Somnath, Vadodara, Anand, Bhavnagar, Bharuch, Valsad, Surat, Navsari. Gujarat government has deployed around 31 NDRF teams to evacuate people to safer places in the state. As Cyclone Nisarga is going to Surat and Saurashtra regions on June 3rd and June 4th, Gujarat government has ordered the evacuation of 13,000 people from the coastal areas. As per IMD, heavy rainfall accompanied by thunderstorm is going to hit coastal areas of South Gujarat and Daman. All the National Disaster Response Force team members are equipped with safety kits such as PPE kits, masks, hand sanitizers to protect themselves from COVID-19 pandemic. According to district administration, all the shelter homes are stocked with food and necessary precautions like disinfecting the shelter homes, maintaining social distancing norms in order to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the state. According to IMD, around 20 districts in Uttar Pradesh will be affected by Cyclone Nisarga. Districts such as Etah, Aligarh, Agra and Mahok will experience strong winds over 60 km per hour in the next 24 hours. After IMD issued high alert in 20 districts of Uttar Pradesh, the district administration is making necessary arrangements, including building shelter homes to tackle the cyclone. The administration has even warned the people to remain indoors ahead of the Cyclone Nisarga. Electricity and Health Department have also been asked to make necessary arrangements ahead of the cyclone.